Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to the channel if you are new here. Today we are going to do a swimsuit try-on haul featuring Cupshe. So thank you to Cupshe for sponsoring today's video. I'm so excited to share with you all the pieces that I picked up and tell you a little bit about Cupshe if you've never tried it before. I fell in love with Cupshe last year actually from watching an influencer talk about it on Instagram, and I was like, I need that. So these are the two swimsuits that I picked up last year, and I just fell in love with their quality and their designs and their shapes and everything, that when they reached out to me this year, I was like, heck yes, I can't wait to tell more people about it so they can fall in love with it as well. If you've not already, download their app. It's the easiest way to know about sales that are happening, as well as just like any customer service. It's the quickest way that they respond. So all the information for that will be linked down below for you guys. If you don't know, Cupshe is not just swimsuits. They are a one-stop shop for everything. They've got loungewear, dresses, swimsuit cover-ups, and everything on average is under $25, which is awesome because you don't need to spend an arm and a leg on swimwear to feel comfortable and confident at the pool or at the beach. It makes it accessible for everyone. The other thing that makes it accessible for everyone is their size range. They go from extra small to a 4XL, which is amazing. The fabric quality is super comfortable and flattering, and it fits everybody's shape, like I said, from XS to a 4XL. So don't miss out. Check out all the links. Everything that I mentioned will be linked down below, sizes and all that kind of stuff. And make sure you take advantage of their size chart on their website as well. So we love a brand who realizes that customers' feedback is super, super important in making sure that the brand is developing and meeting customer needs. So Cupshe listened, y'all spoke, Cupshe listened. They have, you'll see throughout this try-on video, the changes that they've made. First and foremost is the adjustable straps. Not everybody's, torso, all that is the same. So they have adjustable straps, the little sliders, and lets you customize your swimsuit to the perfect fit for you. The cup pads. All the cup pads are super easy to find and remove if you want to, but they actually improved the actual shape and quality of the cup pads. So they're tailored to each individual swimsuit. They're not just randomly thrown in there, a one size fits all. They're meant for that swimsuit. So if you do want cup pads, these aren't big bulky ones that don't look like they fit. They fit for the swimsuit, but they are removable if you choose to remove them. You'll see throughout this try-on haul that I am a one-piece queen, but one thing that they do offer is a variety of different rises: low rise, high rise, and bum coverage, so you know exactly what you're getting when you order the swimsuit. If you want something high rise and more full coverage, they have it. If you want something low and skimpy, they've got you covered. And the quality is amazing. The seams are good. Like I said, I've had these swimsuits, wore them to death last year, and they're still going. They are amazing quality. So let's get into the try-on haul. I can't believe I forgot the best part. They gave me an exclusive coupon code for you guys. It's KF15, which will get you 15% off your order of $65 or more. So check out the descriptions and the code and all that details in the description box down below. I will also leave it right here for you guys. So take advantage of that. They're already amazing prices, plus you get 15% off. Stock up, get yourself some cute bathing suits, and feel good this summer. All right, let's start with bikinis. Oh, I can't. The gingham print is just too cute, too perfect for summer. It's a very girly look. I love the riffly details up on top. These do have straps that crisscross in the back. They are completely removable front and back, which I love, so you can keep them for extra coverage if you're swimming and doing things like that, or if you're just looking to tan or take a cute picture. They got you covered with the removable straps. I did keep the cup pads in here. Again, these are nice quality, so I didn't have an issue with taking them out, but they have the removable spot if you'd like to remove them. So cute. Absolutely love this. Very stretchy, and the seams and everything, really good quality. To go with that, the bottoms, I love a high-rise swimsuit. Ever since just having my child, I just feel more comfortable covered up versus letting it all hang out, but to each his own. I love the fact that these are a paneled high-rise. I just feel like it's very, very flattering. The bum coverage is moderate. It's cheeky where it's high-rise, but you get the coverage of the stomach, so I feel like it's a pretty modest bathing suit overall, and I absolutely love the color and the print of this guy. Okay, this next swimsuit, you guys, I fell in love with the color and the cut of this top so much. I love this green Aztec sort of print. I actually don't have any swimsuits that don't tie in a halter neck, and I find that this is very flattering the way it sits on the shoulders like this. It is kind of like a bra style top. The best part about this, guys, this like clasp closure in the back. Love this thick band. So nice, holds everything in. You have to, every swimsuit needs these clips. Okay, so you hook it in, listen for that. You hear that snap? That is not going anywhere. It has like little notches where it goes in, so you feel like, okay, I'm secure. I love this top. It's so freaking flattering. I love the color in the print. I don't have anything like this, and I think it's really, really pretty. And to go with that, these little tie waist bottoms. Oh, I love a good tie. You'll see in this video, I love a good tie. I just think it like sucks you in, flatters you, and gives a little bit of extra like, look at this on the bathing suit. I don't know, I love them. Cute, good coverage, high leg. Obviously with most high-rise bikinis, you see a high rise and a high leg, or you see a high leg that goes with that high rise, but overall love the coverage as well in the butt, not too cheeky at all. All right, that's it for bikinis. Let's move into one pieces. I've just feel super confident in a one piece. I feel like I can do whatever. Like if I want to play volleyball in the pool or volleyball at the beach, like I can do that, but I can also look super cute and feel like not everything's gonna fall out when I'm just like living my life in a bikini or in a bathing suit. This one is so cute, and I love that they've made one pieces where it's like you don't have to sacrifice looking cute and sexy, like being covered. Like they do one pieces so freaking well. Again, with the wrap tie waist, so cute. High rise, this little bum scrunch in the back is just a cute detail for the lower back. This back detail is beautiful. This is just a full on, you just throw it in. It's a one piece. It doesn't have any straps, doesn't have anything, but it's so stretchy and would fit most people. You can also control the coverage you get on top by just moving the straps closer into your head versus out, which is gonna give you more of a deep V. This is like a very sexy, flattering one piece, and I absolutely love this. Again, high rise, a little more cheeky for this guy, but so beautiful. Absolutely love this. It's gonna be one of my staples this summer. I got another black swimsuit, which this one is a halter tie up at the neck. I love this little ring detail on the little stomach cutouts. It's gonna give you a funky tan line, but I don't care. This is really cute. Good, nice open back. Decent bum coverage. I would say it's more of like cheeky, not like a full coverage by any means, but I love this. Again, I kept the cup pads in, you guys. These are good cup pads. They're not like bulky and look weird. So I absolutely love this. This little ring detail just gives you like a, I don't know. I can't believe how affordable these swimsuits are. They're just really affordable, really high quality, and I'm not like afraid this is gonna like tarnish. It's like real, you know? So absolutely love this swimsuit. Think it fits very nicely. Okay, if you can't tell, I love stripes. Like I actually bought this one, which is similar. It's not the same, it's just a deep V. They have this on the site still. I will link it down below. But I wanted to get this one because I almost got this one last year. I'm so happy that I have it. This is so flattering with the way that the stripes kind of are paneled in the middle of the stomach and kind of like go in and suck you in. So yeah, this is more full coverage, I would say, on the bum as well, which if you're looking for full coverage, this is it. Has a beautiful back detailing though that is completely like customizable because it's just one big string, so you can tie it as tight as you want or as loose as you want depending on the size of your chest. I absolutely love this swimsuit. I think stripes are super flattering. This is my like family pool day situation, but I still want to look super cute. This is it. Okay, for my adventure seekers, this swimsuit is super cool. This is what I would wear on like, if we were going to Mexico and we were doing like cenotes tour, whatever, caves, something where it's like you're in, you're secure, you look cute, but nothing's going anywhere, or you're going surfing. This is it. I love this three-toned swimsuit, full coverage in the bum. Well, yeah, I would say more of a fuller coverage in the bum. Again, these have cup pads in them that are small, so they perfectly fit in there, and I love them. I love them. I didn't remove them, but you can. Big old straps at the top make you feel secure and in there. Again, not a low back, so you're not worried about your straps falling down or anything like this. This is your adventure bathing suit that you need in your life. And this little keyhole underneath your boobs is so cute. So yeah, you need this. It sucks you in. It's more full coverage. This is my adventure swimsuit. And then last but not least, I stepped out of my box with this, you guys. I didn't know, I've never owned a 3-piece cutout, and I will say it was a little challenging to get into it, but once I got into it, it's so cute. I love this one shoulder. I think this trend is going to be really big this summer. I love the colors of this too. It's very neutral. I was like, well, I like this. It looks so pretty on tan skin. I love these little tortoise shell ring details. You can hike this up to make it more high rise. You can leave it low for a low rise look, but I just love this. I thought, you know, it's a cool way to show a little bit more skin, but still be fully covered and not feel like anything's gonna fall out. So we love this, even though you can't really tell. That's why we're doing the try on. So that is it. Those are all the swimsuits that I picked up. Again, like I said, they have a ton of different options on their site, ranging from extra small all the way to 4XL. They have swimsuits where you can pick a different size for the top versus for the bottom, so you can completely customize whatever works best for you. All the details, like I said, every bathing suit that I personally tried on will be linked down below, and then their site in case you want to check out any other ones. But I really love Cupshe. I think they do swimwear so well, and I think that everyone should be able to afford to buy a swimsuit that makes them feel comfortable and confident and is good quality. So again, don't forget to use my coupon code KF15 to save 15% off of your purchase of $65 or more. Thank you again to Cupshe for sponsoring today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, you guys.